everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. It's Sunday again, and Quick and Easy Meals is hosted on Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, the hosts are Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jennifer at Home, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want y'all to swing by those other channels, check out what they have cooking or baking up for you today for Quick and Easy Meals. Today, guys, I am making baked shrimp with veggies, and I'm going to put that over top of brown rice. Okay, because last week we did a lot of pasta, and so today we're going to be doing some rice. So my ingredients are smoked paprika, chili powder, and I'm using fresh garlic, although I do have some garlic powder there, but I found I had some fresh garlic, olive oil, chili powder. Did I say chili powder? Parsley. We're gonna use a little butter. We're gonna use some butter because we're gonna make it nice and lemony and buttery. So we're doing that. And then I'm modifying this recipe. Do y'all do that? I'm modifying this recipe. So I have already, thawed out my shrimp. I had it frozen. I ran it under some cold water for about 7 minutes, 8 minutes or so. And I did the same thing with these veggies. So I have some natural wild-caught Gulf shrimp, no added chemicals or preservatives. That's a pound. I think I got that from the HEBZ. Okay, and then I'm using some bird's eye mixed vegetables. It has broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. So I'm doing a little twist on this recipe because I wanted to include some veggies. Like, I love veggies. So this is what I did, guys. So this recipe calls for, you can see it here in the pan. I have everything here in the pan. The oil, I did 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of the chili powder, half a teaspoon of the smoked paprika. They want you to generously salt and pepper. Haven't done that yet. And at the end for garnishing, I don't have fresh parsley, although I do have some outside. I just didn't use it yet. But we're gonna shake on this, sprinkle on some parsley. So what I'm going to do now is chop, mince our garlic up. So I'm chopping this up. How's everybody doing today? It is beautiful outside. It's beautiful. I'm really loving this weather because in about a month, it might be scorching here. So I'm really loving this weather. Meanwhile, I had my brown rice cooking on the stove. Okay, so let me just tell you, this is really super quick and easy because it only takes 10 minutes. So what the recipe is calling for is you to take this shrimp, which I have here, and let me get a little spoon. Or I should have said a big spoon. So we're gonna put this down in the pan. Oh, and you heat I have my oven preheated. It's heated now though to 400. We lay this flat down. Okay, so after we have the shrimp flat down in our pan, now what they want you to do, oh, and let me put on the garlic. We don't want to forget that. And then they want you to stir this all up. Now, I guess if you like a little more garlic, you can add garlic and lemon to your taste. So that's what it's looking like. Can y'all see that? That's what it's looking like. And so when I said I'm going to, kind of modify this recipe a little bit, on this side, here's my veggies. I have my broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. I'm gonna put this on this side. Now they want you to lay the shrimp down flat, and it's pretty flat because these shrimp, I would say, are medium size. They're not small, so they're medium size. So now I'm going to add in some butter. Okay, so I had Blue Bonnet out. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to actually use butter because we want our shrimp to be nice and buttery and lemony. And I'm adding some butter over on the veggie side. Nice generous amount. Okay, now they want you to generously salt and pepper this. Now I don't need a lot of salt, y'all, so but I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on. So I'm using sea salt today. And I'm gonna put a little garlic salt on the veggie side. Now, how long y'all been watching? Y'all haven't been watching that long, right? Maybe what, 5 minutes? Boom, that is it. So we are going to pop this in the oven. How quick and easy is that? One more thing I wanted to say, you don't even have to flip this. So this is what we are looking like here. You see that? So let me put this in the oven. Y'all, that is my kind of meal. You had vegetables, you had shrimp. The rice was already cooking. Let me check on my rice. That is done. That is done. You know, I could get down when I want to. So I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna come back, and then we'll be at the reveal. If you like my video today, y'all, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my growing channel. Okay, so let me clean this up, because after I cook, y'all know me, I got to clean up. I can't be dealing with no chaos and confusion. So let me clean this all up. All right, guys, here we are, right smack out of the oven. So that's looking pretty good, right? Pretty good. So I'm going to serve this over some rice, and I also have some Texas toast. Quick and easy. Now let me just say one thing. It took 15 minutes. I said 10. It did take 15 minutes. So anyway, this is looking real right, y'all. Quick and easy. So let's come back for the reveal. Keep watching. Here's the reveal. So we have our shrimp and broccoli over rice with Texas toast. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's quick and easy meal. Again, if you enjoyed this video today, please be so kind and give me a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join. If you are a returning visitor, big shout out to you for continuing to watch another video. I appreciate you all. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.